Hey, what's up, good people? Hey, hope you guys are having a blessed weekend. My name is Larry Jones. For those of you that don't know who I am, please do a favor, hit the like, subscribe, notification bell, but do not fall for spam in the comment section, all right? As always, anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell, but I'm going to suggest some ideology for you guys to think about. I'm out here in Jackson, Mississippi. But it's too hot. And I was talking to a young lady here at the coffee house. I'm out here in, like right at Madison County. I don't know where I am. But we had a conversation with the young lady at the coffee house. And I just wanted to let you guys know that are new to the market. And I just want to talk about dumb money. The term dumb money. I know, I just want to pound this message that dumb money simply means emotional trader. It is a term used by Wall Street. It's called dumb money. Now, there are cycles that are normal cycles. There is always a correction. There's always a recession every 10 to 12 years. And that's not market manipulation. It's a normal, healthy cycle, right? Things get too frothy and they have to come down. Multiples get too high and they have to come down. This is just part of the cycle, right? You eat food and food leaves your body. You know what I'm talking about. That's just a normal, healthy cycle. And so the young lady said, hey, I asked her, were you investing? She said, no. Why would I invest now? I'm going to wait until the market comes back. And I'm going, that is the absolute wrong thing to do, and it is actually literally defines the term dumb money. And Wall Street just tells you straight to your face, your money is dumb. And because what we do is we wait until the market is going on a bull run, and then we start buying. But when it's down, it's discounted. When it's 50% off, 70% off, we don't buy it. Now, right now, at this point, things change day by day. I've been telling you guys that, hey, I'm just sitting still right now, right? But that does not mean that there are not deals out there. There are deals. You have to do your research, and you have to be a good stock picker to find out where the deals are. There are some stock that are just oversold and have fair valuations. And you guys just have to look at what those are. But even those keep coming down now in this environment. So that's why we're just gonna cool it for a little while and just chill. Like that song, just chill, and see how far the elevator is going down. So I told her, even though the elevator is going down, she would be wiser to even start buying now rather than wait and buy at the top. That's why if you are investing, not trading, which is different, that's why if you're investing, it's a good thing to dollar cost average. Find some good stock, find some good crypto, and do the same thing. And so she also asked me about crypto. Well, what do you think about crypto? My friends are into crypto. And I said, crypto right now, and I'm sharing with you guys, there's crypto that I'm buying daily now. Listen, I don't care if you can only afford to buy $5 a day. Crypto is a little different than the stock market, but it's correlated. Like I said, the NASDAQ, Bitcoin is trailing with the NASDAQ. All right, if the NASDAQ crash, crypto is going to crash. So I know some of you guys ask, what about crypto? Crypto is going to follow the stock market. If the stock market tanks, crypto is going to tank more, which it already has done. If the stock market goes on a run, crypto is going to run more. And so that's why there are a lot of crypto out there that are in buy ranges. And what I'm doing at this time period is I'm gathering, because if we're in fact in a crypto winter or heading or just about, there is some cryptos that are in a crypto winter. They're beat down so bad. So we can't time the market. So what I'm doing is I'm buying daily. There's some crypto that I'm buying $20 a day. There's $25 a day. There's some crypto that I'm just going to continue to dollar cost average. Now, if you can afford $5 a day, then you can do that with crypto. Remember, anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. And right now, I'm not doing it with the hype coins. I'm doing it with solid plays that are going to be around. Yes, I'm doing it with ADA. I'm doing it with Matic. I'm doing it with Solana. I'm doing it with Ethereum and Bitcoin. So I'm doing it with the more solid plays. I'm not chasing e-news and, all of these new hype coins that are coming out right now. It's just not a safe play right now, because if the market continues to tank, those are going to tank even more. So I'm in solid plays. Now, you could do and pick whatever you want. And yes, there are more than that. Those are just some of the ones that I'm calling out. There are more coins like that, that are better, and there are more coins that you'll make more money off of. You'll have more multiples, but you also have more risk, right? And so whatever coin you call out, hey, what about this coin? What about that coin? Have at it. But also have some of the safer plays with it, like DOT is in that, safe coin. Not safe coins, but is in line with the coins that I called out. There's a lot of them. I'm only calling out a few, right? The ones that I'm buying daily. So I just wanted to drop in and let you guys know about that. Like, you gotta look at when you were looking at Ethereum and you say, hey, it's too high. I wish I would have called it at 17. Well, when you were looking at Solana and you going, man, I wish it was under $100. Well, so that's all I want to say. It takes time, patience, and like Warren Buffett always says, temperament, because this is a journey that we're on. And so that is what I'm doing daily, is I am actually buying crypto daily, and it's going to be what it's going to be. Every cycle, they say crypto is done. They said it in 16. They said it in 18. They just keeps crypto's done. And then next thing you know, it's up another 1,000%. And so you have to leverage your own risk level, right? And so with me, crypto, I'm only 25%, right? And the rest, I'm into stocks. And now I have a lot of positions that I bought in heavy that I'm just going to kind of bring that down to about 10%, meaning I'm going to continue to put 10% of my money in, and the rest is in the stock market because it's solid, less mood swings, and I'm not 21, right? So if you're younger, you can be heavier in the crypto. You got time, right? So a young person should not be investing like an old fart, right? So I'm just shooting to you guys straight, and just know that just know this. I don't care how much fear is in the market. I don't care how much people are saying, oh, the world is going to crash and burn. I don't care how many YouTubers only give you gloom and doom, because that's an easy thing to say while the elevator is going down. What I'm going to tell you is the elevator will eventually stop, and the ride turns around and it starts to go up. So the question is, will you be on for the ride? All right. Hey, I love you guys. We're going to leave it right there. Live, love, laugh, and learn. We'll see you later.